April with the weekend video clip and Saturday the 7th of December. We're going to start with FTSE this morning. Basically we had a 5-wave advance up to there, which I think is wave 3. Then had an A, 5-part A wave, B and a C, that's a flat correction. And so wave 5 is now upon us. 5 waves up to there, regular A, B, C down to here. I think the Christmas rally started yesterday. In fact, let's go down a leg. Okay, so the low here looks like a 1, 2, 1, 2, another 1, 2 probably, and then it's like a third wave coming in. So if so, the Christmas rally is well upon us, and I think it'll put in and as it's a 5th wave of some moment, I think it'll probably last for the whole of the month into Christmas, with obviously stronger rallies and pullbacks if that's the case, as things progress. I'll also be tracking this as we go forwards, but that's a good place to be. Right, the DAX had a similar move off this low here, so that was like a 1 up to there, 2 down here, 3 up to here, ABC 4, and now 5 is upon us. Let's have a look at the action since that low, which came in recently. Right, from wave 4, we have a 1 to there, I think. 2 to there, maybe 3 to here, 4, and 5 to there, so that would be a 1 wave. Then got a B, irregular B into it, followed by this quite sharp C, and now we've got another impulsive move coming in. And now from this low here, we've got a 1 to there, 2 down to here, very sharp test actually. And this is like something down to 3. Possibly do a correction at this point, so we might see a 4 come in maybe on Monday, and another 5th wave. But looking good again, same kind of basic pattern, with a rally expected into Xmas. On FTSE, of course, we have got the election, where that looks like it might be what could be termed good news as far as the market's concerned, although not everybody will see it that way, of course, depending on how the result comes. On the Dow, we have this initial 5-wave form up to here. I think it's 1. So use this drawing tool. This looks like a 2, and 3 looks like in progress. So we have a 1, 2, 3, and I would have 3 to be there, and then a 4 and a 5 to come in, which obviously can't show at the moment, but it looks like we're going higher here, with a possible correction due early first thing Monday, perhaps, just to complete this little move here, which is a wave 4 of 3, perhaps, but I expect the end of the trend to be largely upwards next week. Right, Bitcoin, from a low at 6,530, we have the, what's happening there? Get rid of that. Right, Bitcoin, we have this rising wedge pattern with a 1 to there, 2 to here, 3 to there, 4 to here, 5 to here. Now since then we have quite a belabored correction, with the A down to here, B up to this B here, and the C wave is looks like this is a part of the C wave, A, B, and I think the way the C is looking, it may well end up somewhere down here as it completes. Now there are various different counts there. It's possible this is actually a corrective move, in waves 3, 4 and 5 could be an ABC which completes a corrective move. This looks pretty impelling. That could be a 1, what I've labelled A, could be a 5-part 1 wave with an irregular ABC2. So So there are alternative counts, but this is my preferred count at the moment. I think this low is pretty well established. We have a very good rally off the the low at 3,000 and the low at a little bit or somewhat higher around the 6,000 level. So I think it's a good case the low is actually in. It just remains to be seen whether this pattern does confirm. But right now we're in the doldrums. This move here is definitely corrective, I think. I mean, it could change its characteristics can change, but I would expect another sell-off before this is around this particular pattern. Right, looking at gold, no change here. We have the A wave down to here. Which I'll talk about some time. A, B, and this C wave, I believe, will take us down to around 1410, which will be my long-term target here, where A equals C. Not only does A equals C in this A wave here, down to here, this C wave, this A wave, and this C wave will also be roughly equivalent around 1410. So there's a strong case that we're going to see a strong bounce around the 1410 level, approximately, of course, plus or minus maybe $10. We've also got the wave pattern of this C wave coming in. So we have a 1, 2, 3 pattern currently. We may well see a 5-wave pattern, which will also give us an indication of the target as we get closer to it. So we should get a pretty good signal, warning if you like, of when the low's coming in. And that should be a great entry point on the gold market. And silver is pretty much identical. We have the high up here, A down to here, B down to here, and again E equals C around 15, which again is the target at the moment. And as it happens, again we've got the initial A wave of the C wave down to there, and A will equal C approximately around the same level, and we also have the wave pattern. So some markets signal their intentions much more clearly. Doesn't mean that's what actually happened, of course, but we have good indications of where the low should be, and we'll have the edit wave pattern, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, so when I say there's plenty of opportunity right now, gold and silver are certainly two of those. The equities are giving pretty good signals at the moment, and Bitcoin, I'm sure, will finally jump into step. I'm developing a shorter-term system on the indices at the moment, which is working very well. More detail on that once I've got something I can actually talk about with some confidence. I don't want to say too much at these early stages. Anyway, have a great weekend, and hope you find that useful. Back to the report Tuesday for subscribers, and a lot of value, I have to say. Anyway, and bye for now.